Good morning guys, welcome back to another Dan Unplanned video. Today we're in Hawes in the Yorkshire Dales. We're heading along to Ribblehead Viaduct today, which
in 11 miles,
is 11 miles away from where we are now. What we're going to do is have a little look around the viaduct. It's quite famous in these parts of the world, so you'll see we've got the drone with us. Yeah, let's just head there. We'll show you the scenes around because it's an absolutely beautiful place. But there isn't a single thing around here. If you need some things from a shop, some supplies, forget about it. You're literally on your own.
Forget about it.
Now have a little look around. Okay, we've arrived at Ribblehead Viaduct now. We're just walking down to it. I'm going to get some cool pics, send the drone up, have a little wander around, see what's popping. You excited, pal? I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's do it. The weather's really took a change. Like, it was beautiful driving along. Now it's like really breezy, a bit cold, a little overcast. But we're outside, we're not in lockdown. Let's take those positives, right? Look at this hair.
What?
My hair, I feel like a scarecrow right now. We've arrived at the viaduct. At a quick glance, how many of those is there? The answer is 24. It's pretty special, it's pretty huge. Pretty epic. I'm going to send the drone up when we get there, we'll get a few shots, walk back, get some nice cool drone images. Let's have a look. There's a guy here, I don't know if you can see him, flying a DJI FPV drone. Listen. Pretty sweet. Be getting some awesome views of that viaduct. Go on the lad. Okay, so we've come to Denthead Viaduct now, which is just over there. I'm going to show you in 1 second. It's pretty nice, this place. I'll show you now. There it is, right there. Now, I don't know if anybody's watched the Indie project, but I think even they would struggle with that place over there. I think it's a bit beyond repair, but you never know. Okay, here we are at Denthead Viaduct, up there. Going to get the drone out, pop it up in the sky. Oh, there's that bridge under there, Pam. But to be totally honest with you, I wouldn't recommend the Dales. Like, we've came because obviously lockdown, we've been so bored and not being able to travel and not being able to do anything. But for what we've paid for it, if we had the option, which we didn't, if we had the option to travel abroad, would have been
All day long.
Every single time. There's not a day of the week I would have chose anywhere in England to anywhere abroad, to be honest. So we're making the most of it anyway. Let's do it. Right, we're just walking. Oh, listen to that echo. We're just walking under the viaduct now. A little bridge here. Got the DJI MINI 2. So we'll pop it up in the air, get some shots. This is quite nice. I mean, I know what I just said before about we choose Europe or travelling somewhere every time, but for me personally, the UK just bores me, you know. Maybe it's grown up here or what, but I'd rather spend money seeing different cultures, different cities. That's just me personally though. Anyway, let's get this drone up. guys, we're back at the Airbnb. We're just getting everything packed and ready. Pam's just doing the dishes there. I'm going to dry them, put them away. We're just getting everything sorted for tomorrow when we leave. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want, whatever you want, totally up to you. But I'll see you in the next one when hopefully we're traveling somewhere abroad. Peace.